What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Donnie Disco, coming at you with the first vlog ever. I'm filming on my GoPro, just got a GoPro Hero 8 pretty recently, so I'm trying out the vlog game, yo. I got the vlog game going on. But yeah, no one's home today. I got a bunch of stuff on the agenda, to be honest. Bunch of stuff on the agenda. Let's see, we got what are we doing today? I forgot already. I got some things planned. Hook up the Xbox to the entertainment center. Okay, right over there. Gonna hook that up to that TV over yonder. Boom, hook up Xbox. Boom, 3D printer. Boom, then I gotta clean my room. And maybe a little fishing later. I might do a little bit of fishing too. That sounds pretty all right. So let's get started on some shit, guys, because we got a nice day ahead of us. All right. Well, I just decided I'm gonna make a burger instead, so we're gonna do that before I do anything else, because your boy is hungry. All right, guys. Honestly, I like burgers. I like burgers a lot. I make a lot of burgers. Okay. One of my favorite burgers to make. I might get some flack for this. All right. One of my favorite burgers. I love these burgers so much. I love these burgers. The original Bubba's. This is all, dude. These burgers right here. All you need. I survived on these. These things are the reason why I'm still alive today. I'll tell you that. 6 patties. We got 12 patties here. I'm gonna make one burger. I'm just making one burger today. All right, y'all. Bubba Burgers. We're gonna open them up. Gonna take a single patty here. Boom, drop her on the plate. This is an important part. You gotta wet the burger. Just a simple wet. You just, get a little wet. Boom, wet burger. I'm gonna tell you why, right? I'm gonna tell you why you wanna do this. Because you want the seasoning to stick, right? You don't want your seasonings falling off. It's a frozen patty. Seasoning ain't gonna stick to a frozen patty. All right, seasonings. This is an important part. Seasonings. Seasoning number 1, in no particular order. Montreal steak seasoning. Set that over there. Garlic powder. Seasoning 2, garlic powder. Set that to the side. Fine sea salt. Always sea salt. It's from the sea. The sea is cool. Fine sea salt. Ingredient 3. Seasoning number 3, fine sea salt. Set that to the side. There's one more. Oh yeah, fucking duh. Pepper, bitch. Pepper. Seasoning number 4, pepper. All right, pepper. Pepper. Okay, take the burg. Just want to do like a light seasoning here, salt. So it's like a dash, like a sprinkling of salt. Don't want too much of that. Pepper. I like pepper. I put a lot of pepper on my burger, honestly. Like a boom. Maybe, yeah, that might be a little too much pepper, but it's okay. Garlic. Yeah. For sure. Sorry, I'm really not, I gotta get a better angle on this. Montreal steak seasoning. This shit's gonna fall off. This shit's falling off regardless. See how chunky it is? How coarse the seasoning is? Boom. All right, cool. I kind of like to try and press the Montreal in. I don't know why. I don't know if it does anything. But let's see. You're gonna have see, look at all that. Like, dude, come on, dude. Anyway, I'm about to go silence that shit. Give me a sec. All right. Same thing, next side. Salt, boom, yeah, just a little bit of salt. Some pepper, and then a little bit of garlic. Yeah, boom, that's a lot of garlic. It's okay. We like garlic over here. That's a little too much garlic, I will say though. Okay, boom. Burger seasoned. Easy, right? Not too hard. We're turning up the heat to, let's see, we're on like a, so that's high. I'd say we're on like a medium high. Medium high. Gonna let that heat up. You want this shit hot. So you don't wanna throw it on and then let it heat up. You don't wanna do that. You wanna get that shit hot. You want the pan to be ready for the burger. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to have the pan getting ready while the burger's already in there. The pan needs to be ready for the burger, okay? All right, cool. All right, the pan is pretty much getting there. Yep, she's there, she's there, she's hot. She's hot, she's ready to go. So we're gonna throw our meat down on her. Here we go, check this out. You want the sizzle. The pan could have been a little hotter maybe. You kind of want that meat. I mean, it's going, it's sizzling. I'm gonna grab a screen. Always good to have a screen when you're making burgers. That was badass, right? Just throw the screen on. It gets very greasy. You want minimal cleanup. Minimal cleanup, right? Let's get some cheese on the bitch. Oh, dude, if you're not putting cheese on your burger too, like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Single, Kraft single, Kraft single, Kraft singles. Best cheese for a burger. That slab right here. Just check this out. Nice. Turning down the heat on the burger. I'm turning it down. We're going to about medium here because you don't want to burn the burger, which I do more than I'd like to admit. Because I get impatient. I want that fucking burger now. I'm hungry, goddammit. We're gonna take it low and slow today. We're gonna take it low and slow, take our time, and get a good burger at the end. It's all about that end product, right? We're gonna see what we get here. I'm gonna show you how it's done in Burger Town. Oh, now you see that blood starting to come? I like to wait till the blood's coming around all the corners of the patty. Honestly, we're getting there. I'm gonna give her a flip. I'm gonna give her a flip. Oh. And we burnt this. We fucking burnt this. You want to turn the heat up when you flip your burger, because you want to sear. You want to like seal the juices inside of the burger. So when you cook something on high heat, it like hardens the outside. The inside is still juicy. It's uncooked, all right, but the outside has been. You turned it into a solid casing for the insides, pretty much. So it contains the juiciness. Look how much juice is on the pan. There's like barely shit. There's barely shit. And when I bite into this burger, you're gonna see how juicy it is. My parents hate them. I get down on a juicy burger. I get down on a juicy burger. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, motherfucker. It's happening, and I kind of fucked up. It's kind of fucked up here. The cheese is melting all over. So hopefully we can extract the burger without any of the melted. Oh my God, we did it. We did it. Oh my God. Oh no, there's something there. See that? Yeah, there's something. It's all right. We're just gonna transfer the burger to oh, it came off on the spatula. Yes! Boom, bitch. Yeah! Okay. Okie dokie. It's burger time. Hopefully it's rare. I think it's gonna be. This looks like a mighty fine burger, if I am being honest. Look at the juice. Look at the juice. That's what you want. That's what you want. Why? So many people are hitting up my father. We're just gonna let that be. And we're gonna bite into the burger. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. I gotta go. I gotta go enjoy this burger. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that was definitely one of the better burgers I've ever made. That shit was gas. I'm gonna go charge the GoPro and clean my room because that's boring as fuck. I'm not gonna film that. So I'll see you guys soon when I fix my 3D printer. This is a serious jam. Oh shit. There we go. There we go. We did it. I don't know what the hell just came out of there. but it is unclogged. Yeah. Alrighty, the filament is changed, and now I'm gonna put my USB card into the printer here. Wait, I'm putting it upside down. There we go. Alright, MakerBot headphone, let's get her done. Oh, there she goes. Putting on the first layer right there. Alright, looking pretty solid so far. Maybe definitely need to raise that up a little bit on the left front. But it should turn out fine though. So this print's supposed to take about 10 hours. And hopefully I have enough filament for it. I should, but I don't know, it's definitely a pretty big thing. Alrighty, so 3D printer is fixed. Room could be cleaner. Burger made, burger ate. Delicious. Actually, that was a few hours ago, so we might be looking into getting some dinner here soon. I don't know what's on the agenda for the evening. I gotta find some things to do. Yeah, we're chilling now. Ain't got shit to do. My prints will be done in about 10 hours, so we still have a lot of time, guys. So alright. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.